Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears 5 split screen full guide. Start by connecting both controllers and signing each player into a profile immediately, then launch Gears 5 from the main menu. Go to Campaign or Arcade modes, choose split screen, and invite the second player. Set display orientation and HUD size so both players see critical info. Save settings and test a short match to confirm controls and camera feel. Ensure both controllers are paired and responsive before starting a split-screen session to avoid mid-game disconnections. Prefer wired connections when possible to reduce input lag, especially for competitive play. Have each player sign into a unique profile so progression and stats record properly. Open the controller options and adjust dead zones and sensitivity per player to match playstyles. Test movement and aiming in a spare match to confirm both setups feel right. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your gaming area tidy without lifting a finger. It fits perfectly in a busy gaming setup and frees up time for extra matches. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Split screen play rewards clear communication and shared strategy between players to handle intense encounters. Use quick callouts for enemy directions and mark targets when possible to avoid friendly fire mishaps. Share ammo and medkits proactively so one player does not get stranded in critical moments. Coordinate ultimate or heavy weapon usage to finish tough foes together. Stay flexible with roles and adapt loadouts to balance close and ranged combat during missions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.